Over 70 activists detained and denied basic rights. Since June 16, 2024, Zimbabwe has witnessed a disturbing escalation in human rights violations. Over 70 members of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, were arrested at interim leader Jameson Timber's home. Amnesty International is sounding the alarm. These activists are still behind bars. Both the Magistrates' Court and the High Court have denied them bail. This is a direct violation of Zimbabwe's own constitution and international human rights laws. The right to a fair trial and freedom from arbitrary detention are cornerstones of justice. Yet, they're being shattered. Amnesty International is calling for the immediate and unconditional release of all detained CCC members. This isn't just a plea for justice in Zimbabwe, it's a call for global solidarity. Human rights are universal and non-negotiable. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's demand the respect and protection of human rights for everyone, everywhere. The world is watching Zimbabwe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates.